Good morning, everyone. Hope you're all doing well. I am still in the process of putting together and installing all the various Christmas presents that my family got. And my youngest does tumbling and gymnastics, and so she asked for a climbing rope for Christmas. And we could hang it from our ceiling here in the shop so that she can practice on her upper body strength. So we've got the rope here with the little hook at the end. And that's all it came with, so I needed to go to the hardware store to find the remaining pieces I needed to hang it from the rafter in our building here. So I went and got an eye bolt, and then I also got this heavy duty clip, carabiner, whatever you want to call it. And they are both rated for 2,000 pounds, so should be plenty sufficient to lift up a 100-pound girl. I've got the nut here, got a couple washers on there, fender washers, just to help even out the load that's going to be on the beam. So what I need to do now is just find a spot that I want to install this. Kind of got some cords here, so I don't know if I want to go right there. I might go like right here where there's nothing in the way, but I also want to be able to tuck this thing away. So I'm trying to decide whether I should be a little closer to the wall over here. So it can take me a few minutes to decide what I want, but then we will get to installing it. All right, after a little bit of deliberation, I decided that I'm gonna install it right here. It's kind of between a light and an old hanger that we used to hang our canoe. We're not gonna use that anymore. It looks close, but there's about 6 feet between those, so plenty of distance for my daughter or me or anybody to climb up and get to the top there, and should have room to turn around and all that. So not too worried about hitting anything. So what I'll need to do now is get my ladder, and well, actually I have to get my drill and drill bit so that I can drill a big enough hole for this eye bolt to go through. So we'll grab all that, and then we should be able to get this thing installed. Well, I made a decision. I'm gonna go right there with the climbing rope. So I need to get up here with my ladder, and I'm gonna drill a hole so that I can get this eyelet through there. Have washers on backside, and so I'm going to put those on one side, and then I have this big flat washer on the other side. Actually, I might flip those around, have the fat one on top, since that's where the weight is gonna be pulling down. Then I have this really solid carabiner that's supposed to hold like 2,000 pounds, and that's what's gonna hook to the rope here. So I'll get up there, I'm gonna drill a hole. I haven't quite measured this. I'm just gonna hold a drill bit up to it and make sure that it is slightly wider than that. I might drill a small pilot hole and then do that, but hopefully we can get this thing hung in just a few seconds. Well, here it is in all its glory. Got it installed, hangs down to about 3 or 4 feet off the ground. It's perfect for my girls. One of my daughters has already tested it and got up there. She says it is nice and stable. Yeah, so she likes to do this when she goes to gymnastics, so I thought it'd be nice for her to have something like this at home. So anyway, if you guys are thinking about doing it, it's pretty easy. Just had to get a few extra pieces of hardware. Let's see if I can zoom in right there. And yeah, drilled it into the beam, and this thing is nice and sturdy. You guys have a good one.